Hello and welcome to AI Gorillas, your go-to source for all things. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Pictory.ai and our challenge to create a passive income from home with easy-to-make videos from Pictory. Pictory is a video creation platform that allows users to create short, social videos from long-form content, extract short video highlights from webinars, add subtitles, and turn long-form text into summary videos using stock meta assets in minutes with a smart AI solution. It's freaking amazing and what you could use to make easy money from home. Pictory.ai is an AI-based video creation platform that is designed to make it easy for users to create professional quality videos from text, complete with stock footage, music, and voiceovers for YouTube and other platforms. Whether you're looking to create videos for marketing, advertising, social media, or any other use, Pictory has the tools and features you need to get the job done. Please like and subscribe, and if you want quick access to Pictory.ai, the link will be in the description so you can make all your videos for free. One of the great things about Pictory.ai is that it has a range of templates and styles to choose from. This means that you can easily create high-quality videos that will engage your audience and achieve your goals. The platform also allows you to customize and edit video content and tools, so you can add text, images, and music to your videos. This makes Pictory.ai a great choice for anyone looking to create videos for their business or personal brand. Another great feature of Pictory.ai is that it has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate. When you first log in, you'll find helpful guides with videos that show you in detail how to do everything you need to do, which is super helpful. And here are the types of content you can repurpose into short videos with Pictory.ai: articles to videos, script to videos, visuals to videos, and even edit videos with voice using text. With Pictory.ai, you can easily turn text into video with just a few clicks of a button. In the Pictory video editor, there's a lot of different things you can do, like adding stories, visuals, audio, styles, and formats. You can also easily change the backgrounds, add images, and highlight important text in your videos. Now that's bananas, right? In terms of visuals, Pictory has a wide range of stock media clips that you can use in your videos, as well as the ability to search for your own images and videos. They also have a variety of English voiceovers to choose from, including English UK, English Australian, Indian English, and a lovely lady from Africa, Ari. LOL, that's me talking now. You can also record your own voiceover. Additionally, you can record your own background music or upload your own background music. The platform also allows you to save your stuff to use later. So for example, if you like using a particular voiceover all the time, you can simply heart it, and you can do the same for every background music you like to use on any of your videos. You can even use Pictory to make you videos to sell stuff from ClickBank. Try this AI and let it change your life. In terms of pricing, Pictory offers a free version where you can create one free video each day for a YouTube channel or any other platform you want to create content for. Or for just $20 a month, you can create 30 videos and have open access to the whole platform's resources. This is a great deal, especially when you consider how much time and effort it can save you. With Pictory, what used to take hours to create can now be done in just a few minutes. But it's not just about saving time. Pictory can also help you to make money from home. By creating high-quality videos that engage your audience, you can use them to drive traffic to your website, promote your products or services, and increase brand awareness. Additionally, you can monetize your videos by adding affiliate links, sponsored content, or running ads on them. Just give Pictory one try, and I bet it changes your life in making online videos for any platform. Get it free from the link in my description down below. Why would you use anything else? Kids can even do this. Smash the like button like a gorilla hungry for 100 bananas. In conclusion, If you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use AI video creator, be sure to check out Pictory. With its wide range of templates, styles, and customizable options, you can easily create high-quality videos that will help you to achieve your goals and make money from home. And don't forget to join the link in the description so you can make all your videos for free. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe or the gorillas won't let me sleep for a week. Thanks for watching.